In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email notification preferences in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for staying organized and keeping track of tasks, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. But let's face it, receiving too many email notifications can be overwhelming, while receiving too few might mean missing important updates. That's why it's essential to customize your email notification settings to match your personal workflow. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can take control of your inbox and stay on top of what matters most. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Next, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Trello account. Alternatively, you can choose a sign-in option like Google or Microsoft depending on how your account is set up. If your workspace uses single sign-on, simply follow the prompts that appear to complete your login process. Once you've entered your email or chosen your sign-in method, type in your password and click Login to access your Trello dashboard. After you're logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Email Notifications. This is where all the magic happens. At the top of this section, you'll see options to enable or disable all email notifications at once. You can select all to turn on every type of notification or none to turn them all off. If you'd rather fine-tune your preferences, you can customize individual categories. For example, you might want to turn on notifications for comments if you'd like to receive emails whenever someone adds a new comment to a card you're watching. You can enable due dates to be notified about added, changed, or upcoming deadlines. If you'd like to know when you're removed from a card, toggle the option for You're Removed from a Card. Perhaps you want updates about attachments. Simply choose Attachments Added to get notified whenever a new file or link is added to a card you're watching. If new cards on your watchboards are important to you, enable Cards Created. Similarly, you can turn on notifications for cards moved to stay informed when a card you're watching changes lists or boards. Finally, if you'd like alerts when cards are archived or unarchived, select Cards Archived. One thing to note is that all of your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. Once you've adjusted your preferences, you're all set. And remember, you can revisit these settings at any time by returning to the Profile menu and selecting Settings again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe